Hello guys, I hope wherever you are in this world you are very fine. Okay guys, today again I'm back to share with you a very powerful option on the 1xbet that is going to really help you to win your bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, please, if only you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell if only you don't want to miss any of my new video in this channel. Okay guys, and also, if you like what I'm doing, okay, give me a like, and share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks that I'm sharing here. Okay, guys, as you know, those of you who really wanted to secure their account, those of you that are fan of security like me, the best thing you can do to secure your account so that any amount of money you win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue. The only way you can secure your account is to create a new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, guys, all in capital letters. DVIP, all in capital letters, guys. Sorry. Okay guys, this promo code will secure your account. Okay, and with this promo code, whatever the amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue. It is the best promo code in the world, guys. Okay, DVIP, all in capital letters, guys. Okay, and this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so guys, let's go and let me show you the trick. Okay, let's select the Europa League. Okay, as you know guys, okay, it's always very important to check the main odds of the teams. Okay, so we want a match who look exactly like this match. Okay, a very strong team against a very weak team. Okay, let's select it. Okay, as I said guys, as you can see here, the first remark we can do here is that the home team are very strong. Okay, and the second team are very weak. Okay, it means that for the second team to win this match, it is almost impossible, guys. It is almost impossible because the home team is very strong, and also the home team is playing home. Okay, so this is going to be, the second team is very weak here. Okay, so guys, now we know that the home team is very strong and the second team is very weak. Okay, so let's come and select the first half. Okay, our option is on the first half. Okay, we know here that it is going to be very difficult for the two teams here to play the first half without scoring at least one goal. It is almost impossible because we can see that the home team is very strong. Okay guys, so we come down. Okay, let's come down. Okay, the option is down. Let's come down. Okay guys, this is our option. Okay, both teams to score plus double outcome. Okay, let's select it. As you can see here guys, okay, it is here, the bookmaker is asking us here at least one team not to score and one or draw. Okay, yes, and at least one team to score and one or draw no. This is the second option here. Okay, so we guys, this is not our problem. Okay, these options are not our problem. Okay, this problem is not our problem. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. So guys, here what are they asking you here to do? Okay, here the bookmaker is 1xbet is asking you if you are sure that at the first half, okay, if you are sure that at the first half the two teams are not going to score at the first half, and also you are sure that at the first half, the home team is not going to lose here. And like you are sure that at the first half, okay, the worst result the home team can get here is draw at the first half. Okay, I'm talking for just for the first half, guys. Okay, here you select this option. Okay, here this option is available just for the first half. Okay, after the first half, you select, the person will select this option just after the first half, he win the bet. Okay, guys, so this option is available just for the first half. Okay, so here if you select this option, at least one team not to score and one or draw at the first half, you are saying that at the first half the two teams will not score at the first half. Okay, and also at the first half, the home team is going to win or to play draw. Okay, so it means the only way you can lose if you select this option, it is only when the second team win the first half. The second team that is very weak. We know that the second team here is very, very, very weak, and the second team is not playing home. So for you to lose here, the second team has to win the first half, and also the two teams have to score at the same time. Guys, as you can see, this is going to be very, very, very hard. Okay, is also a very, very, this option is a very, very safe option, guys. You can select 1, 2 or even 3 and you will win in a very, very easy way. Okay, guys, but please always make sure that it is a very, very strong team against a very, very weak team, guys. It is very important. Okay, you come on the first half and you select this option. Guys, I hope you understand this option, guys. Okay, anything, tell me what you think on the comment. Okay, and also another person can come and select this option, at least one team not to score and two or draw. No. Okay, by saying that, you are saying that, okay, by selecting also this option, you are saying that the two teams is not going to score here, and also it is the second team is going to lose here. Okay, guys, you are saying that the second team is going to lose on the first half. It means that you are saying that the home team will win the first half. Okay, but this one is safe but not very, very safe. Okay, so the best choice, best choice for you is to choose this option, guys. Okay, very, very safe option, guys. Okay, please tell me what you think on the comment about this option. Okay, and also share with your friends. Share this option with your friends so that they can also enjoy, guys. Okay, so guys, take care of yourself and have a nice day. Very soon I'm coming back with a new format of betslip so that we can all win together. Okay, guys, so take care of yourself and have a nice day. I love you, guys. I love you. Ciao.